Welcome to this episode, just one of the many journeys we will take you on. We are happy you could join us. Today, we plan on making 2 stops. The first, we will take a quick stop at Whitelake Provincial Park to see what it's like in October. Then, we head out to a local community park on Whitelake, a real hidden gem. We started our journey in Blind Bay at the local village grocery store. It's a 15-minute drive. But don't worry, we will get you there in less than 30 seconds from here. We have arrived. Dudes fishing from the dock looks like a good time. Let's park and go check out this campsite at the end. Looks like a nice spot to camp right along the lake with no one around. Great water for swimming or launching a canoe. Let's head back and go to our next spot where we plan on throwing some sticks in the lake for Harley. But first, one last quick look at the launch. Isn't this a great spot? Look at how clear that water is. Now that we've made it, let's throw some sticks, get Harley tuckered out, and take the drone out for some aerial shots.
We're gonna get it on. The time is here now, so come with me. Throw your hand in the air right now. Put 'em up. Gonna have a real good time. Gotta make this day go fine. And I know you work too hard, so come and join me, shine on. Shine on. We got the love one. It's how we stand. Let's make this a real thing. We are gonna party with a heart and a mind as one. I'm gonna start it up with a fire like the burn like the sun. Gotta get it on till the floor from the big to the sky. Let's make this a real thing. These are the good times. The good times. These are the good times. Let's make this a real thing.
Harley sure enjoyed that, and I hope you did too. Thank you for joining us on this trip. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. We welcome you to join us on our next adventure.